everyone, today we're going to be doing some word problems based around our times tables that we've been practicing. But you've been practicing on Times Table Rockstars, or hit the button to make sure you definitely know your times tables. So let's have a look then at the first one. So there are 8 cakes in a pack. Mrs. Smith buys 2 packs. How many cakes does she buy altogether? So we know that there are 8 cakes in a pack, and she's going to buy 2 packs. So we know it's 2 times 8, don't we? So how many cakes does she buy altogether? Pause the video and work it out. Yeah, she buys 16, doesn't she? Because 2 times 8 is 16. Well done if you said that. Next one then. Word problem, okay, again. How much money does Ron have? So you need to work out, look at what the coins are worth. They're worth 5. So you will go and do your 5 times tables. Work out how much he's got and pop it in the multiplication sentence, and then how much money he has. Off you go. So we've got 10 lots of 5, which equals 50, because they're in 5. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Fantastic. Well done if you wrote that down. Next one then. Teddy has £8. Rosie has twice as much money as Teddy. How much does Rosie have? So Teddy's got £8 and Rosie's got twice as much. What multiplication is it going to be to help you work out how much money Rosie does have? Pause the video and write it down how much she has. She's got £16, hasn't she? Because it's 8 times 2, because twice as much means times 2. And it was £8, so we did 8 times 2, which gives us 16. Well done. Eva is 7 years old. Her gran is 10 times older. How old is Eva's gran? So look at your numbers this time. Eva is 7 years old. Her gran is 10 times older. How old is Eva's gran? What you're going to work out this time, what's your multiplication sentence going to be to work out how old Eva's gran is? Pause the video and work it out. So it would be 7 times 10, which is 70. So Eva's gran is 70 years old. Sita puts 10 balls in each bag. Sita has 10 bags in total. How many balls are there altogether? So again, using your times tables, what multiplication would you use? What times table would you use to work this one out? Sita's got 10 balls in each bag, and she's got 10 bags. So how many balls are there altogether? Pause the video and work it out. So it's 10 times 10, which is 100. Well done if you said that. A classroom has 6 tables. Each table has 5 children sitting at it. Complete the number sentence to show how many children there are altogether. So, classroom has 6 tables. Each table has 5 children sitting at it. What would your multiplication sentence be? And then the answer. 6 tables with 5 children sitting at it. Off you go. So it would be 6 times 5, which is 30, because we know we've got 6 tables and we've got 5 children sitting at it, so we've got to times them together, which gives us 30. Well done if you said that. A sandwich costs £2 and a box of crayons costs £5. Jack buys 5 sandwiches and 3 boxes of crayons. How much does he spend in total? I'll read that again because it's quite a tricky one, this one. A sandwich costs £2 and a box of crayons costs £5. Jack buys 5 sandwiches and 3 boxes of crayons. How much does he spend in total? So you need to work out how much is spent on sandwiches, how much is spent on the crayons, and how much is spent altogether. Pause the video, off you go. So if Jack has bought 5 sandwiches and they're at £2 each, that's 5 times 2, which is 10. And then if he's bought 3 boxes of crayons at £5 each, that's 15. So then it is 25, because we've got to add the 2 together. So well done if you said that. Now I want you to have a go at these ones. Perhaps you could read these yourself and then work out the answer. And then when you're ready, on the screen, the answer will come on. So you should be able to read these. Off you go. So here are the answers. The sausages come in packs of 12, and Dad cooks 2 packets, so it's 12 times 2, which is 24. And then Bags of sweets have 10 in each bag, and Tom buys 8 bags of sweets, so he has 80 sweets. Wow, that's a lot of sweets, isn't it? Right, again, read these to yourself and then have a go at working them out, and then the answers will come on when you're ready. Pause the video, off you go. So we've got each pack has a football stickers has 5 in it, and Ben buys 8 packs, so that's 8 times 5, which is 40. And then at the birthday party, he invites 10 friends, and he puts 2 whistles in each bag. That's 10 times 2, which is 20. Well done if you said that. Don't forget to go on Times Table Rockstars and hit the button to keep practicing your times tables. Take care.